Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video introduces you to exponent. So exponent, you have learned this in Math 10, Math 9 classes. So exponent, we want to review this concept because when we go to PreCalculus 12, we will learn exponent function and logarithmic function. So this is the really best for you to review what you have learned in previous math classes. Okay, so the first thing you need to know about exponent, about the definition. So for example, if I have the number a, so a, we call it the base, right? So a is the base, and I know that the n is the exponent. So basically, if I have a times a times a to the n times, I can say that it is a to the n power. So if I have a times a, I just multiply it 2 times. I can just say that is equals to a raised to the 2 power. So if we apply to number system, right? So 3 times 3 times 3, right? I know it is equals to 3 raised to the 3rd power and is equals to, is equals to 27. So basically, this is how exponent work to do. Yeah. So when you have 3 times 3 times 3, I multiply 3 by 3 times. I raise 3 to the 3rd power. So equals to 3 times 3 times 3. So this is how it works. Okay, so next we will cover the law of exponent. So hopefully you still remember about this concept in the past. So what are the law of exponent? So basically the first rule set, if I have 2 powers, so the first power we have is a to the m. And the second power we have is a to the n. So if I multiply a to the m and a to the n together, we got a raised to the m plus n. So we basically just add the exponent. So why is the case? So for example, we take this for example, right? So we have 3 to the 2, which means that 3 times 3. So I know that this one is 3 to the 2 power. I multiply 3 by 2 times. And also we have 3 to the 5th power. So I have 5, 3 here. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So this one, we have 3 to the 5th power, right? So in total, so how many 3 do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's why we have 3 to the 7th for this one. So we just add the number of exponent, right? By saying 3 to the 7th. Yeah. So this is the first rule. So about the second one, so we have a to the m divided by a to the n, right? So we have a raised to the m minus n. So for example, 3 to the 5th divided by 3 to the 2nd, we know that is equal to 3 raised to the 5 minus 3. So same thing. If I have 3, so if I have 5, 3 in the numerator and want to divide it by 2, right? So we have 3 times 3 in the denominator. So how many do we left? So we can cross out the 3 with this 3 and this 3 with this 3. So that's the reason why we only got 3 to the 3 power. So this is the correct one. So that's why we always minus the number of 3. So that's why if I divided 2 power, we got subtraction. Okay, so the rule number 3 said if I have a raised to the m power and I need to raise it to the n power, actually equals to a raised to the m times n. So for example, if I have 3 raised to the 3 power, so what happens if I raise this power to the 3rd? So how can you rewrite this one? So I can set is equals to 3 raised to the 3 times 3 raised to the 3 times 3 raised to the 3. So how many 3 do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in total, we have 9, 3, right? So 3 raised to 9. And this one is actually equals to 3 to the 9th. So the 9 is equals to 3 times 3. I just need to multiply this to exponent to get the 9 here. So that's the reason. Okay, so the number 4 said a times b raised to the n is equals to a raised to the n, b raised to the n. So this one, I just need to distribute to the a, and also the n also distribute to the b. So remember, so a to the n times b to the n. So for example, number 5. So we have a divided by b raised to the n power is equals to a raised to the n divided by b raised to the n. Yeah, so this one is also you need to know. I just distribute it to the a and also distribute it to the b. So this one you need to know as well.